Jay Drone here. What's going on, guys? Dancing stunt car, off-road, big tire style, retro. Let's go. 2.4 gigahertz. I'm pretty sure it has a 7.4 volt battery. Let's get into it. All right. So this is everything that's in the box. Obviously, you have your truck. In this box, you have 2 batteries and your charger. This, just wanted to show you, your controller's under here. So if you don't see it, these little blue buttons for your controller, we'll check that out in a second. You also have instruction manuals, just as well as a few extra screws and your screwdriver. Little look at the controller. You have an auto button, and below that, I believe, is the horn. And then you have your forward, back, left, and right. Let's go ahead and get into it. So just to show you guys, the controller does completely light up. Your truck itself will light up. Tires are super grippy. We will get this out. All in all, guys, I'm liking it. Super high grass, it doesn't do well. Everything else, just about. And again, 7.4 volt. No real reason to upvolt this. Super toy. You can hear it has noise. Boom, ready to go. Rubber tires. I like it. Link down below. Later.